Regina Daniel family and Ned Woko, una will take time for this Obasanjo internet. When una dey marry, when una dey carry this thing, my in-law take, my in-law take, my in-law's daughter take, my in-law's son, we no hear anything. When it is sweet una, when it is sweet, we no dey hear anything. Now I know say your son die of drug abuse in the UK, you cannot enter the UK. Now take time. My mother was not in support of the marriage. We fight her that she should not marry Ned Woko, but she did not. Who na the tell? Who that time when they fight her? Where the video? Why not tell us that time? Say we dey want Regina now. Regina not here. We say na Ned do. But now we fight don't enter now. Now una no say yes. Yeah, you married her to win election. You married her. Your glory was off. Your star was down. Now take time. Cause nobody follow na go vacation. Nobody follow na enter private jet. Nobody follow na claim I'm the in-law of the senator. The senator is my in-law. We are busy trying to fix Nigeria. Trump is coming to save us. Una dey carry una own problem dey come. I be make Trump start from our street. Maybe clear. Now take time. Una will take that family problem. Una carry and go. Now all those kind of case, all those kind of family. Now traditional wedding una do. I be want. Una carry and go one place for our village. Una head of the village. I be chief. I be una king. Me dey say, me na come on internet. I'm trying to be a I've tried to be a bigger person. Oga. When I can a bigger person go village. When I can go that place when I for swear words. That place where you for wear white wrapper. When I go that side. And they disturb our ear. You see young boys down. You not see young boys marry. Wait. If not be money, wait till Regina they find go net place. Eh? You are pretending like I said the man never do anything for. Now because of money, you not support that wedding. Which one be my mother was not in support. When that time, why would my mama not cry out? Only yati over akẹ́hùn sọ̀rọ̀ akẹ́tàn sáré. Yes, you sáré your hearing now yourself. Ẹ máa sáré fúnra yín. Don't disturb Nigerians. Now yes, so